What's going on, guys? Smasher XD here, and welcome back to another awesome video, bros. So today, guys, we are back in another Super Smash Bros. Challenge once again, guys, and this time I'm going to be putting the Welding fam, some of the Welding fam Mii Brawlers against different teams in Super Smash Bros. And guys, also I'm recording today because this week I got another busy week coming up, and also, guys, I'm going to some homecoming football game this Friday, and guys, if I see any Welding fan members there, I make sure to put them in the video, bros. So yeah, let's get right into the video. And if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on those awesome notifications so you guys never miss an awesome video in the future of the XD universe, bros. Okay, so here we go. Let's get started with this, and I'll be right back to get the matches ready. Alright, guys, so first up is the team of the Welding fam of Silver Falcon and Green Falcon against the Street Fighters Ryu and Ken in this first match. So here we go. Alright, make sure it's all good. And yeah, okay, so here we go. Here we go. Alright, let's do this. Oh, so, Ken, really? Whoa, Ken, calm down. Ryu, really? Okay, I can't even hit on these guys. There we go, jeez. Oh, nice team up, Green Falcon. That was a nice team up. Oh, yeah, you want to show you can me? I'll show you can. Ow, what was that? Dude, I can't even get it. Dude, I can't do anything. Yeah, there we go. You know what, I'm going to show you can both of you. Yeah, that's what you get. Get on. There you go, Green Falcon. Oh. You know what? I'll get blown up. Wait, I just blew up myself too. I did not mean to do that. Oof. Oh, that's what's up. Oh, okay, Green Falcon, take it. Please tell me. There you go. Oh, there you go. Whoa, oh no you don't. Get out of here, Ken. That's what's up. That's how XD does it. Ow, oh. Okay, well, I was in the middle of talking. Hey, Ryu. Ken, don't you touch. Get that back. Give me my piece back. Thank you. Whoa. Hey, that was my piece. Thank you. Oh, no, you don't. Woohoo! Oh my goodness, Ryu just eliminated me. No, the piece! Oh. Give me that. Green Falcon, get it! There you go. Alright, here we go. That's what's up! Oh, I got it! Oh my. I just shot it the wrong way. I am so sorry, guys. But hey, it was cool, though. It's cool. It's pretty funny. I shot it the wrong way. Alright, this might be the trap smash ball. I don't know, but let's just see. Oh, I was right. I was wrong. And I missed. It's okay. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, wait, did we win? Please tell me we won. Please tell me we won. Let's go! First win. Let's go for the Welding fam. That's how SD does it. Alright, victory picture. I'm definitely saving this battle. Alright, guys, I'll be right back to get the next one ready. Alright, guys, next up is Dart Ninja and Tiger Shark of the Welding fam and the Flames of Destruction against the Star Fox team. Star Fox and Falco. So here we go. Let's do this. Here we go. Alright, let's take him down. Oh no, you don't. Oh my goodness, I just gave the power to him. I did not mean to do that. That's my boy Mario's power. Whoa! Come on, Falco, let's go. Yeah. Oh yeah! Oh, what was that? Alright, here we go. I'm gonna use my Dark Ninja powers. Oh! Metal, I'm saying tribute to Mario. Metal Mario, here we go. Oh no! Nice, Tiger Shark! Wait, who did we get? Oh shoot, one of the batteries is that low battery. Okay, I gotta charge that after this video, okay. Whoa! Wait, what? I didn't even see that! What the heck? I just blew myself up! Oh, Mario's mushroom! No! Wow! Oh no, I'm not falling off the edge. My Dark Ninja skills. Whoa! Oh! Alright, Falco and I just did that at the same time. That was pretty cool. And how many times do I keep trying to drop kick myself off the edge? Please tell me. No! Star Fox got it! Don't you dare hit me. Oh, he hit Tiger Shark! Oh, right. Star Fox fire out. Well, I don't think so. Oh my goodness, he's not gonna survive. Oh, yes he is. Never mind. Oh no! I'm gonna kill myself! Oh, never mind. I'm okay. Wow! Alright, Falco. You want a piece of me? No, no, no. What's up? Come on. Oh my... Really, Falco? Really? Okay, that's it. Get over here. Oh. Oh, you want to kick me? I'll take you back, boy. Oh. Yes, sir. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Tiger Shark on right there. Would you stop it? Get out of here. Get out, Star Fox. Oh, yeah. Backflip. Let's go. Wait, what? They won? No. No. We're having a rematch, bro. That is not how it works. But you know what? I will save this battle because it helped. Dang it! I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys. We're having a rematch. Let's go. And then, guys, we have a main event after this. Actually, I'm thinking to name this video Part 1 because I have more ideas for the series in the next video or something. But anyways, let's do this. Yeah, we're having a rematch. This is what you boys get. Get over here. Yeah! Wah! Hiya! Come on! Oh yeah, double hit. That's how SD does it. Oh, nice Dark Ninja! That was a nice ninja. Oh, okay. Nice team up by Tiger Shark, too. Here we go. I'm gonna blow him up. Oh, I missed. Dang it. Oh, yeah! Kick it. Oh, yeah! That's how SD does it. Alright, here we go. Oh, I missed. Oh, and I missed. Dang it, come on. I got the smash ball and I missed. Really? Alright, get out of here, Star Fox. Oh! Yeah, come here, Falco. What was that, Falco? How did you hit me What? Like that? Come on, bro. Ah. Oh. Okay. I did not see that one. Oh, and I missed again. Really? That's twice I missed. It's okay though. Get out of here! I didn't miss that time. Goodbye, Falco. Oh, great. Now we got Zero. Alright, Zero from Mega Man. Let's fight! Yeah, return back to base. Get out of here. Off. Goodbye, Falco. He fell right off the edge. Now, did we win this time? Please tell me we won this time. Let's go! What a win! Let's go! Victory picture. Alright, take a picture of that. Save this battle. Alright, guys, time for our main event. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, and our main event is... Actually, guys, I have one more huge main event after this match, and it's not going to be a tag team, but... Here we go, guys. This our main event. This second main event. So here we go. It's Smasher XD, Golden Wolf Boy 454, and Thunderman of the Welding fam versus the Mario Brothers in a showdown match. So here we go. Who's going to be the best tag team? Here we go. Alright, here we go. Oh! Okay, I just hit my head off that. There we go. Let's go. That's how SD does it. Hey, get over here. Come here, you. Come on, what up? Oh, wow. Ooh, that was actually pretty cool. Wow. Oh, wait, guys, I messed up. Hang on. Hang on, how do I pause? Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, sorry. My bad. I'm back now. So, I meant to put this is a lives match, so here we go. Oh my goodness. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back again. Alright, guys, let's do this. Here we go. Alright, let's try this again. Here we go. Oh, I'm starting off against Luigi. Let's go. Oh, okay, this is actually a good match. Mario, you want some of this? Come on. Mario, you're my favorite character. We teamed up so many times in Super Smash Bros. Before. Against Bowser, against Bowser, Ridley. I don't know how many times we teamed up at this point, but right now, it's the Welding fam versus the Mario Brothers. I really love Mario. I have a lot of respect for him. He's the one who got me in the Super Mario games, but right now, he's going down. And he already eliminated me. And, oh, okay, the Welding fam's fighting back. Here we go. Oh my goodness, how many times? Luigi, real Mario, really? Dude. Okay, you know what? Alright, Luigi, you want to dodge? Mario, come here. Hey, no. Yeah, Golden Wolf Boy, take it. No, what? Mario, you're gonna dodge me. You're gonna try to... There you go, Golden Wolf Boy. Yes, you got another life. Let's go. Oh my gosh, no! Now we have 2 lives left. I forgot about the lives. Oh my gosh. Now I really gotta be careful. Oh, dang, Luigi's got destroyed. No! 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 Yes, it's mine. Wait, no! I missed! Come on! Oh, how many times am I gonna keep missing? Yeah, get some help, Golden Boy. Alright, I gotta be sure I don't get eliminated. Again. Alright, get out of here, Mario. Alright. Oh! Okay, I didn't expect that to happen. Oh! No. No! Oh my... I only have 1 life left. This is not good. Mario, you are going down. Oh shoot, Mario has it. I gotta dodge it. Oh no 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 no. Oh. No! Oh my... No! I lost my health! No! Oh my goodness, guys. I'll be right back, guys. I need a rematch. Alright, guys. We're gonna retry that because I completely forgot I put the lives on there. So, I'm gonna try this again, and this time I'm gonna focus. If I die again, then I'll let them fight. But guys, that was a mistake of me. I'm really sorry. We're gonna try this again. Here we go. Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, here we go. Let's try this again without dying. Here we go. We can do this, guys. Oh, okay, that was a nice shot to Luigi. There we go. That's how he does it. Oh my goodness. Get out of here, Mario! Oh, yeah! That's how SD does it! Goodbye! Oh, okay, I don't know what the heck that was that. I don't know what the heck that was. I can't speak. I don't know what the heck that was. Alright, Mario, come on. Like I said, I have a total respect for you, Mario. You're the one who got me into Mario games and stuff like that. But you have to know, your team is going down. Alright, where's that? Oh, nice team up, Golden Wolf. Boy, that's what's up. No. Hey, that's my piece. Give it back. Get out of here, Mario. No, it's mine. Yes, sir. Goodbye, Mario. Get out of here. Oh, that's how SD does it. Where'd Mario go? Oh, he's right there. I didn't see him tiny right there. I can get it this time. Now I got you. I get both the Mario Brothers. Get out of here. Oh yeah, wow. Oh wait, Mario came back? Oh my goodness, I only have 3 lives left. Oh. I don't think so, Luigi. Oh, we got Knuckles. Wait, Mario. Wait, who's got eliminated? Oh, Luigi got eliminated. Oh, Knuckles, really? I'm busy, Knuckles. Oh, double team, let's go! That was awesome! Oh, yeah! Welding fan for the win, let's go! Yes, sir! That's how SD does it! Alright, guys, I have one more main event match. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, in our main event, this is the final fight. It is a fatal 5-way match between the top 5 main characters of Super Smash Bros. Between Mario, Sonic, Mega Man, Pac-Man, and Kirby. And so here we go. So, main event. Here we go, bros. Alright, guys. Let's do this. Oh, yeah. That's mine. Oh. Wow, Pac-Man, I just said that your goal is to attack you. What the? Who just got eliminated? What did that just do? What did that swamp just do? Mega Man, you want to keep dodging me, bro? Oh my goodness, I almost got eliminated. Can't even see anything! Wow! There we go. Alright, Mario, let's win this, buddy. Oh, Kirby! Really? You're gonna eliminate me just like that? Pac-Man, not a chance. You're all getting trapped in here. Get in there! Yup, all you getting trapped. And it didn't hit anyone, and I missed. Dang it. Get out, Sonic. Let's go. Haha, snook attack you. Oh. Mega Man, you wanna stop dodging, bro? There we go. Couldn't get a hit on Mega Man. There we go. Alright, here we go. Oh, what? How did that hit me? Good drop kick to Kirby. I'm gonna blow all these guys up. Oh! Wow, Kirby, really? I only have 2 lives left. This is not cool. I'm just gonna have to dodge. No. I am not getting eliminated again. My mushroom! Ah! It's mine! Yes, sir. Oh, what a punch to Mega Man! Oh shoot, Mega Man has it. I gotta dodge. No. Oh, he missed. Okay, he didn't get anyone. And I just had to dodge his attack. Oh, I just eliminated Sonic. That's awesome. Alright, Sonic is out. Whoa. Kirby is done. It's down to Mario, Mega Man, and Pac-Man. Mega Man is done. Alright, Pac-Man's just me and you, man. Wow! Okay, Pac-Man. Dude, Pac-Man wants to fight. Get out, Pac-Man! Whoa! Oh no, you don't! Oh my goodness. I'm dead. Oh, okay, I only have 1 life left. Okay, it's 1 life to 1 life. I'm about to win. Oh, no, and apparently not. Get out! Oh yeah! What a win! Oh yeah! That's how SD does it! Let's go! Oh yeah, save this battle, let's go. Alright guys, well, that's gonna wrap up today's video. So if you guys enjoyed, definitely go ahead and smash that like button right now. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to turn on those notifications so you guys never miss an awesome video in the XD universe. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to leave a like. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. And make sure to turn on those awesome notifications so you guys never miss an awesome video. We're almost at 150 subscribers, bros. So help your boy XD out. And we're on the road for right now to 900 subscribers. We're right now at 147 right now. Or 149, I don't know. But yeah. So please make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more awesome content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. That's how XD does it. XD out.